Magazine. We are live. Fire. Oh, I don't know if I should put my cover on or not. Okay, we're live. Oh, oh sight. Oh, it didn't. Safety zone. Two. Do not touch the trigger till you're ready to fire. Yes. Semi-automatic. Just do two. David?
Can I shoot it?
How do you hold it?
Or no, out of your hand.
You brace it against your body. This is called the butt stop. You
Does
put
it
this
make
here,
kickback look?
you line up.
Luke, stand with him the whole time breathing.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Stand down here.
Did it take back a lot, Rob?
A little bit. A little bit.
That is fun.
So I should put my feet like this.
Put this right here, so don't hurt your booty.
I need a right hand though, like this.
Okay, so switch arms.
What?
Yeah. If you shoot that hand, do not touch the trigger till you're ready to fire.
So
Hold
with
it
the
tight,
right
Landon.
hand?
Hold the gun tight.
This good?
It's gotta go here.
His hand's on the trigger.
2 rounds. Mother,
This is fun.
Here.
give mom theirs.
Oh,
Yeah,
sweet.
Just put it against you and squeeze. No, 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 no. Against you.
I can't put the little thing in.
Okay, you gotta switch arms then, or other side. Because you're gonna have to brace it.
I don't want to do it.
Let me do it. Let me do
Put it in
Let
the
me do it.
crawl, right there. No, up a little bit. Up, up. Don't touch trigger. Up in here.
I'm scared.
You're fine. Your
It's gonna
voice
hurt
didn't.
my arm.
It's not. Just squeeze.
This shot out hit man.
Is there any more rounds left?
Your dad.
Oh, I'm fine.
Is there any more?
Oh, we're done. We're done.
Can we fire some more?
Leland can walk alone up to the target.
We're done.
Can we do some more of that, please? Just one more.
Three? I thought you took
Did
that
you
one
cock
out.
it back? Yeah, because I just shot it.
Stay
You just
back.
shot the second one.
No, you said there was. You
Okay,
took
you're
that
scaring
one.
me.
Dad, you took the one out. And you put it back in the box because it wouldn't go in. I want to reload it. No, what are you doing? I go.
Good.
That's how you speed reload it.
Like, you ready?
You didn't cock it.
Oh, There you go.
Do I get
Shotgun.
another? Aim for the ball. Actually, no.
Can I do one more? I want to do.
Push the trigger. Brace yourself.
You ever shot a shotgun from your hip? It sucks.
Get ready.
Don't shoot goose.
You don't have to aim.
I hit the board. I want to shoot again.
He wants to shoot again.
I need the buffs because I don't feel like losing my ears. The AR-15.